Good morning. Good morning, guys! Today is a Sunday and dito kami natulog kagabi sa bahay ng parents ko to spend time with my family. Dahil yung parents ko ngayon, nasa cruise sila papuntang Jamaica. So, sinamahan ko yung kapatid ko tsaka yung pinsan ko dito. And also spend time with Yosha. And later on, imi-meet namin yung aming potential wedding coordinator, guys. So, unti-unti nang nabubuo ang aming dream wedding ni Zing. And I'm so excited. Kahit next year pa yun. Sana bumilis ang araw para...
Wag muna.
Bakit?
Kailangan natin na pamaipon.
Ay, wag muna daw. Bagalan daw. At more and more provisions and blessings from God. So, ayan nga guys. Lalabas muna tayo kasi gutom na ako. Actually, mga 8:30 pa lang. Gising, alauna na kami nakatulog kagabi. So, mga 8:30 na ako nagising kanina.
Sa Game of Thrones.
So, ayan. Medyo gutom na mi. So, labas muna tayo and let's see kung anong ulam sa labas. Good morning!
Good morning! Saan na lang ang Pilipinas?
Sarap guys, may magluluto ng lunch, kalderetang. Pag-aralan mo yung kaldereta ni ate para magluto ka sa bahay. Pero ang sarap nung tinola niya ni Lucy, isang aram, anghang-anghang. Parang ang pagmamahal niya sa kanyang boyfriend.
Bye!
Dalagang Pilipinay.
Talagang binatang Pilipino.
Magali, Jules, ikaw. Binatang Pilipino.
Balatang Pilipino. Yan.
Ay. Dalagang Pilipinay. Si Yosha. Good morning, Yosha. Say good morning. Hi. Happy Sunday. Spending time with this little one.
Hi.
Say hi, mermaids. What are you eating? What are you eating?
Pita.
Pita? You like pita? Yummy? Gisingin natin si Bing. Basel.
Sinasabi ko sa kanya 54%.
Shh. Andito na kami sa mall. Medyo late kami ng konti dahil nakatulog kami sa sobrang init. Sumakit kasi yung ulo ko. So, super excited to meet Tony. Friend ko na siya before pa. Nag-host na siya ng event namin before. And nag-chat kami one time at nalaman kong event planner. Event coordinator din siya. We're here guys! This is Tony! So, yung aming wedding coordinator. That year din.
Mga 6 years na rin naman nag-host ng mga weddings. Mga Pinay na naman. Dito ko pakasal. Kumakabil kami sa ganong market. Tapos yung pinsan nila nag-debut, ito yun. Tama kayo, di pa na. Yung isa pamangkin ko to. Yung isa yung pamangkin nila ito. So parang medyo naging family affair na siya.
Ayan guys! Tapos na yung aming meeting and looking forward to working with Tony and Larry. Thank you guys! Grabe, guys, sobrang meticulous nila sa questions. I like it. Sa mga osing katulad ko. At alam nyo, hindi kayo iiyak sa araw ng kasal nyo mga brides. You can hire Tony and Larry to organize your event. Diba?
Thank you!
Mag-YouTube channel mo, Ben.
Oh, YouTube channel. Check it out. Tony Bilaro. That's TONIBILARO. And my Instagram, Tony Bilaro.
Yes, and ayan guys, ipopost ko na lang dito yung info ng kanilang event company kung gusto nyo i-hire sila or makausap sila to potentially organize your wedding or any events, diba? Kahit debuts or kahit binyag siguro pa. Diba? Lahat ng events or birthday. So ayun guys, make sure to click the link down below yung mga account ni Tony and Instagram page niya so you can check it out. Bye! Thank you guys! Dito kami ngayon sa Lander sa may Otis area. Bibili ng merienda si Jules and Dean. Dito ako ngayon sa loob ng kotse. Hindi na ako sumama sa kanila. Papasok ng Landers guys dahil inaatake ako ng aking anxiety. Dahil siguro sa headache ko na din. Sobrang init ngayon guys. As in. Nakakaloka. Kahit naka-aircon kami kanina, nakabukas pa rin yung fan namin sa sobrang init. Siguro, due to the hot weather, sobrang sumakit yung ulo ko. Kasi yun, kasabay na yung anxiety attack ko kanina sa may Otis. Kaya, ayan, di na ako nakasama pababa ng landers. But, I had a productive day today despite of this attack and my headache. Dahil, nabook na namin ang aming wedding coordinator na sila Tony and Larry. Sobrang gaan ng loob ko sa kanila, guys, dahil ang dami nilang questions sa akin. Napaka-meticulous ng questions and napaka-detailed, and I really like that kind of coordinator kasi parang confident ka as a bride na walang papalya dun sa araw ng kasal mo. Kasi yun yung mga iniiwasan ng lahat ng mga brides, diba? Syempre, kasama ka sa planning all throughout, may ini-imagine kang ganito sa kasal mo, and syempre, hindi mo naman siya may execute that day dahil inaayusan ka na, busy ka na sa mga pictorial and everything. Pero nga pala, guys, so kinalabasan ng aking hair after a few weeks. Ang ganda, guys, nung pagkakulay niya. Gustong-gusto ko siya kasi hindi siya too brassy. Maganda yung kinalabasan ng bleach plus pinatong nilang color dun sa bleach. Ganito yung ini-imagine ko talagang result ng hair. Again, it was done by Lavish_hair by A on Instagram. Home service hair coloring salon sila, and sobrang bait ni Rai and ni Ayla talaga, guys. They will cater to your needs as a client, as a hair client. Talagang make sure nilang satisfied ka sa color ng hair mo. Diba, guys, ang pretty lang. Tapos gusto ko kasi yung parang waterfall lang siya, yung wala siyang hati, and talagang successful sila sa paggawa nun, guys. And ayan, ombre effect, dark yung sa taas, and medyo ash and chocolate brown yung sa ilalim. I think it will take them a while to go back in the car dahil medyo mahaba yung pila dun sa may bilihan ng food sa may lantern. So, mayroong mga nagtatanong sa ating mga mermaids, and I also want to help out. Lalo na perfect timing ngayon dahil graduation time at marami tayong mga newly grads na mag-a-apply ng trabaho, and I just wanna help out those people na katulad ko before na kinakabahan kapag i-interviewin na sa trabaho dahil first time, or kahit man hindi mo first time, pero it gives you a lot of nerves when you go for a job interview. And I want to give my personal tips lang when I go on job interviews dahil ako, hindi na talaga ako kinakabahan ngayon, guys. Pag nagpapa-interview sa trabaho, I think I gained confidence along the way dahil unang-una, hindi lang sa communication skills, but dahil pangalawa, medyo confident ako sa skill set na meron ako when I go on a job interview. So, sana makatulong itong vlog na to sa inyo, guys, sa mga newly grads natin dyan at sa mga sisters kong mag-a-apply ng trabaho. And, ayan, meron akong list dito ng most common na mga tinatanong sa trabaho. I think it will take them a while to go back in the car dahil medyo mahaba yung pila dun sa may bilihan ng food sa may lantern. So, mayroong mga nagtatanong sa ating mga mermaids, and I also want to help out. Lalo na perfect timing ngayon dahil graduation time at marami tayong mga newly grads na mag-a-apply ng trabaho, and I just wanna help out those people na katulad ko before na kinakabahan kapag i-interviewin na sa trabaho dahil first time, or kahit man hindi mo first time, pero it gives you a lot of nerves when you go for a job interview. The first common question na tinatanong sa atin sa job interviews, guys, alam nyo to, kung na-interview na kayo before, tell me a little something about yourself. Very common and very easy to answer if you'll think about it, kasi pwede mo namang sabihin sa kanila yung nilagay mo sa resume mo, kailan ka gumraduate, ano yung course mo, something na very accessible for them dahil meron silang kopya. Pero ako, ang tip ko sa inyo, guys, is if you're gonna be asked that question, you can say something different about yourself, something unique, something that will attract their attention. Or ang pinaka-smart is, tell them something like 2 to 3 experiences that you had in the past, sa school mo or life experience mo, that will lead to the job that you're applying for, diba? So, something na parang experience na nakakuha ka ng skill set na palagay mo magiging strength mo kapag hinire ka nila dun sa position na ina-applyan mo sa company nila. Next question na laging tinatanong, why should we hire you? Diba? So, it's a question na kailangan ibenta mo talaga yung sarili mo dun sa employer para i-hire ka nila, especially kapag gustong-gusto mo talaga yung trabaho. So, don't say something na parang medyo magiging cocky yung dating mo or medyo magiging mayabang yung dating mo dun sa employer mo. You can probably say something like this: I think you should hire me because I know I'm not a perfect worker. I have a lot of things to learn, and I really want to get this job because I know that with my skill set and the company And the things that I'm gonna learn from this company, it will make me a better worker and better at this job. And you should also hire me because I know that when given the right position and the right motivation, I can be the best worker that you can have. You can say that, diba? Parang hindi siya mayabang and parang maganda yung parang two-way street yung nangyayari na they can get something from you as a worker and you can get something from them as an employer. So ayan guys, madilim na. Wala pa rin sila at hindi pa rin nila nakukuha ang aming merienda. So let's proceed to this conversation. Ang third question na madalas tinatanong sa atin is, why do you want this job? It's a very hard question to answer. I've been asked this question a lot of times sa maraming trabahong in-applyan ko in the past. Ang lagi ko sinasagot sa mga tao, ayan, dyan na sila guys. Finally.
Ang gulat ako, ba't ka nagsasalita mag-isa?
Nag-film ako. So I always answer the question, why do you want this job? I always research about the company and their motto, kung ano yung goal ng company, and I always answer them na parang, I like this job because my values as a person, my principle as a person is in line with the principle of this company. And then saka ako na i-enumerate yung mga principles ng company nila and motto ng company nila na same yung motto ko. So parang may impress sila dun sa part na yun na talagang ni-research mo yung company nila and talagang makikita nila yung interest mo dun sa job and sa company nila because you did your research. And I'm gonna continue this video later because they're back with our merienda.
Yes.
So,
We're
before we stop the video, ano yung mga common job interview questions na natanong sa inyo na meron kayong tips sa kanila kung paano sagutin?
Be yourself. Because you can't put a front on the whole
Okay,
thing.
so kunyari ako yung nag-interview, I'll ask you a question. Why do you think we should hire you?
I got interviewed in the federal government in the U.S. I didn't use the normal. I was thinking outside the box. How to answer these questions of why should we hire you?
Yeah.
What are your best traits and what are your weaknesses? Now, just by selling yourself is 50% of the game. The other 50 is having a good answer. That's not normal. Because normal, you have competition, so you have to be outside the box. You have to make yourself known. So that's my tip.
Ikaw?
Sell yourself.
Ako. Yun nga, be yourself.
Ginaya mo lang yung kay Jose.
Hindi ako ini-interview, ako yung nag-i-interview eh.
Sorry naman po. Sorry naman po.
When I interview a person, I look her in the eye.
Isa lang? Ay lang.
Eyes. I look them in the eyes.
Sa isang mata mo lang.
Nakagano na. Then I look them in the eyes.
Oh. Tapos?
Para makita mo yung genuinity ng sinasabi niya.
Ako naman guys, dun sa nung nabanggit ni Jules kanina na question na what are your weaknesses, gano'n. I see to it na hindi weakness talaga yung sinasabi ko. It's actually a strength na naka-conceal sa parang weakness. Like for example, nung tinanong ako before sa GMA, what are your weaknesses as a worker? I said that I'm OCD and that I'm a perfectionist, that sometimes na sobrang double, triple check ko lahat ng trabaho before ko tapusin. So for others, it's a weakness. Pero for an employer, it's not really a weakness kasi mamimake sure nilang pulido yung trabaho ipapasa mo dahil you double check it, you triple check it. Guys. So, medyo madilim na dito sa parking lot. We'll continue the video later.
Yun na nga guys.
Hi, baby!
So yun na nga guys. Ngayon na niya tinuloy yung vlog niya.
Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko guys buong araw. Talagang hindi siya yung painful na headache. Yung parang yung head pressure ba na nakapatong sa ulo mo na parang ewan ko, hindi ko malaman. Kaya sluggish ako the whole day.
It's hot.
So hot. Oh, parang magkaano daw yung highest recorded? 40? 40.5 sa Pasay. Highest in NCR. Oh my God. Good night. We'll see you at the vlog tomorrow. Good night. Bye.